Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today Appa is going to make some Malaysian curry chicken for my wife's Denmark friend coming over for dinner tonight. And I have prepared some, this is about 1.2 kg of chicken parts, yeah. I got it from the wet market this morning, very fresh. And I tried to cut it into smaller chunks so that it's easier for them to eat also. And I have actually put a little bit more chicken breast inside. I think Westerners, they're not too good in the, they don't really enjoy the bones as much as we do, right? So there's more chicken breast here today. And then I'm going to put in some potato, yeah, cut into chunks also. And always, after you cut your potato, always remember to put it inside water so that it doesn't oxidize. And of course, let's take a look at how do we prepare the curry paste. As you all know, Appa always make my own curry paste and it is not difficult at all. Here, we are looking at 4 types of powder here. This is some red chili powder. This is Baba's meat curry powder. This is coriander powder. This is turmeric powder. Today I'm actually using 1 tablespoon each lah. But usually, at least for the red chili powder, I will put 2. Okay? But today I just want to make it slightly less spicy a bit. And then of course, today I have some, my mother-in-law helped me to get some curry leaves. And here I have some chopped shallot, garlic, ginger, and also fresh coriander roots. I have some tomato chunks. I have some yellow onion. Now, yellow onion will actually help to make your curry more sweeter, yeah, naturally sweeter. And of course, Appa will be using some of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder. We're going to make the curry paste first. Give it some oil. Oh, you do need to give a little bit more oil here because your curry powders is going to soak up all your oil later. So let's heat it up. Once the oil is heated up, we can put in all the fresh herbs. Yellow onion. So we are going to saute this for a minute or 2 to really bring out all the nice fragrance into the oil. And we shall come back shortly. This is after approximately 2 minutes. You can see some of your ingredients inside started to brown and it is super fragrant right now. Next thing, tune down the fire to very low fire because we are about to add in the curry powders. Yeah, curry powders can get burnt extremely easy. So always bring down the heat the moment before you add in the curry powders. And I'll give it the curry leaves as well. Actually, even without the curry leaves, it will taste really good, just from the curry powders itself. So after you added in the curry, the mixed powder, you can now slowly bring up the heat to still not too high heat, low, medium, or medium. And now you want to continue saute this for at least another 3 to 5 minutes to really cook out the nice flavor of your curry paste. And you really need to keep on stirring. If not, it can get burnt. Then don't use too high heat. Use either, I think medium low is the safest. And I don't mind putting in 2 tomatoes at this stage. Give it some sourish flavor. Right, this is after sauteing for like close to 4-5 minutes. Just now I actually reduced the heat to low heat because I feel that it's a little bit too hot, yeah? So be careful, don't burn your curry. And I'm going to put in the chicken. I marinated the chicken with a little bit of salt. Potato. Actually, I don't mind adding in the tomato right now, tomato chunks, or you can add it towards the end also, can up to you lah. Now we can raise the heat to medium high. Because the moment you add in the chicken and also potato, the whole wok's temperature will actually reduce. Next thing, you're going to add in some hot water. I'm adding in some diluted coconut milk. I still have some very thick coconut milk to be added towards the end. So let's try to scrape the bottom so that we don't waste any curry paste. Alright, make sure everything is nicely submerged under the broth. Now we are going to give it some seasoning. First of all, I'm putting in my cooking apa chicken stock powder. I'm finishing my last bottle. One bottle of my chicken powder can last you between at least close to 2 months, even if you cook quite often. Yeah, I'm gonna give it some salt and some sugar. So towards the end, you can still use salt and also sugar to adjust to taste. Now we just want to give it some base flavor, yeah? So that your curry broth is already flavored and salty enough to flavor your chicken and also potato. Wow, look at the beautiful curry oil. Let's bring this to a boil. So once it is boiling, I'm going to close the lid, tune down to medium-low, and let it cook for about minimum 20 minutes. This is after approximately 20 minutes. Oh, beautiful chili oil. 2 more things we need to do now. First thing, to add in the thickened coconut milk. The one I'm using is actually the coconut cream. Wow, nice. Next thing, right before serving, we can actually adjust the taste using some salt and also sugar, and that's it, done. Very flavorful. I think I'll just give it a little bit of saltiness. I'm using light soy sauce here. Good enough. Done. Alright, there you go. Here's my very simple but very flavorful curry chicken. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Apa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Apa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.